This is a research practice from the Vivekananda style of yoga, who have done a lot of research from the 80s actually into the effects of yoga on women having treatment for breast cancer. This practice has been used from the time of diagnosis through chemotherapy and radiotherapy and has had the effect of, against control groups, of decreasing the time to return to well-being, decreasing anxiety and depression. And now begin to deepen your breath. Breathe into just the lower rib cage. Breathing in, expand the lower rib cage. And breathing out, relax the lower rib cage. With each breath, allow the breath to lengthen but without strain. And in a moment, we're going to make a sound, and the sound is going to be ah on our exhalation, and it'll be an loud sound. So I'll give you an example. I'll ask you to breathe into the lower rib cage, and then we'll go ah. And as we make the sounds I'm going to request you to make, I just want you to go with the sound and feel the vibration. That's all you have to do, and allow it to do whatever it wants to do. So breathing into the lower rib cage now. I'll keep giving you a little break to just get your breath, because we all breathe at different rates. Breathing into the lower ribs again. And breathing in again. Feel the effect. This sound works into the lower area of our body, the apana. And also the samana, the area between the ribs and navel. Now be aware of your middle rib cage, your breast area, your heart, your lungs. And do a few long, slow breaths into this area to feel again the gentle wave-like pulsation of nurturing energy into this area of our love, our compassion for ourselves and to others. And in this area we're going to make the sound ooh. And as we make this sound, you'll feel it reverberate and vibrate through this chest area. So breathing into the middle rib cage. Breathing into the middle rib cage. Breathing in. Bring your focus now as if you've got two little nostrils at your collarbone. Long, slow breathing into this collarbone area of our rib cage. Feel the energy, perhaps to your armpits, your shoulders, your neck, your head. And the sound we make into this area is the sound. And you'll really feel this especially around the sinus area at the back of your head, nose. Breathing into the upper ribs. Breathing into the upper ribs. Breathing into the upper ribs. Feel the effect as we've vibrated through the energy in our body that's called Udana. And now we're going to combine these, so we'll breathe into the lower, the middle, the upper ribs, and we'll be breathing out with the sound Aum. In turn, breathing out from the lower, the middle, the upper, and allowing the vibration to go to that area. So breathing in, lower, middle, upper ribs. Have a few breaths in between. So again, we'll be breathing in lower, middle, upper, and then breathing out Aum. Breathing in. And this time, loudly breathing in. And the next time, softly but still audibly, breathing in. And do the final one in your own time, silently to the inner ear. And then sit for the next minute quietly in the vibration.